So we got a broken shifter cable, and there are no replacements on the island. Got one on order, supposed to get here soon. But in the meantime, don't want to have to take the cowling cover off every time I want to shift, by flicking the lever down here. So got galvanized wire, twisted together. It's nice and stiff. Put it through here. And then on the other end, got these loops. So I can just put that over there like that. And now I need to get this put in here to make sure it stays on. Put this in here to make sure it stays on. All right, require 2 hands, but there it goes. I got that on there, so now this won't come off. And I can now shift it by pushing this in to neutral reverse, pulling it forward to go forward. So that's how I'm working around a broken shifter cable.